This single AI update could create a new wave of millionaires, and most people have no idea. Something just happened in the world of artificial intelligence today, April 27th, 2026, that could affect every single one of you watching this. Let me break it all down for you right now. Today, Microsoft and OpenAI sent shockwaves through the tech industry with a joint announcement that has effectively ended Microsoft's exclusive access to OpenAI's core technology. For years, this partnership was the most powerful moat in Silicon Valley, but the walls are coming down. At the same time, we are seeing a massive shift as 5 major tech giants have confirmed. They are spending a staggering $700 billion on data center capital expenditure this year alone. This isn't just a small upgrade, it is a total retooling of the global economy. The big news today is that Microsoft is wobbling slightly after losing that exclusive grip, while chip leaders like Nvidia, Micron, and AMD have surged to fresh all-time highs. Even with massive geopolitical tension and oil prices topping $97 a barrel, the AI market is proving to be bulletproof. We are moving from the era of generative AI, where models just chat with you, to the era of Agentic AI, where models actually do the work for you. Let's look at the deep analysis of why this matters so much. When we talk about Agentic AI, we are talking about autonomous digital workers. In the past, a tool like ChatGPT needed you to give it a prompt for every single step. Now, with the latest GPT 5.5 frontier model releases, these systems can understand a high-level business goal, break it down into 50 subtasks, and execute them across different software platforms without you ever lifting a finger. The technical breakdown is fascinating. We are seeing the emergence of one-bit large language models. In simple terms, traditional AI uses a lot of memory and electricity because it processes complex numbers. One-bit models radically compress that data. This means we can now run massive, powerful AI locally on your smartphone, or even on small industrial sensors without needing a constant connection to a cloud server. It is 100 times more energy efficient. This is the moment where artificial intelligence stops being a website you visit and starts being the engine inside every device you own. From a business and financial impact perspective, the numbers are mind-blowing. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq are hitting record highs because investors realize that the AI build-out is a once-in-a-generation opportunity. If you are looking at AI stocks, keep your eyes on AMD. They are currently leading the charge in data center CPUs specifically designed for these new AI agents. Why CPUs? Because while GPUs like Nvidia's do the heavy lifting for training, these new AI agents need high-performance CPUs to coordinate their complex workflows. For everyday people, this creates a massive AI side hustle and passive income opportunity. We are seeing a new job market for AI agent orchestrators. These are people who don't necessarily code, but they know how to build and manage a fleet of digital workers for small businesses. On the flip side, traditional customer service and middle management roles that involve moving data from one spreadsheet to another are at high risk. The world is moving toward AI automation at a pace that is frankly terrifying if you aren't prepared. In the real world, this is going to change your life in 3 specific ways. First, in healthcare, we now have AI agents that can monitor your wearable data in real time and coordinate with your doctor's office to adjust your medication or schedule an appointment before you even feel a symptom. Second, for small business owners, you can now use AI tools to handle your entire supply chain, from ordering inventory to managing customer returns, all on autopilot. Third, in education, personalized AI tutors are moving beyond just answering questions. They can now create entire custom curriculums that adapt to your learning speed in real time. Think about a freelance graphic designer who used to spend 20 hours a week on admin tasks. Today, they can deploy an agentic workflow that handles their billing, client communication, and file organization for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. Now, I am curious, do you think this shift toward fully autonomous AI agents is a good thing for society, or are we moving too fast? Drop your take in the comments. I actually read every single one. And if you are finding this breakdown valuable, you know what to do. That subscribe button is right there, and it genuinely helps this channel keep bringing you these deep dives for free. Looking ahead, my predictions for the next 6 months are bold. I expect we will see the first billion-dollar company run by fewer than 10 human employees. By next year, the concept of a chatbot will feel outdated as we all transition to personal AI operating systems. Within 5 years, 86% of government leaders expect that managing AI agents will be a core required skill for almost every job. Within 5 years, 86% of government leaders expect that managing AI agents will be a core required skill for almost every job. Here is what you should do right now to stay ahead. First, stop thinking of AI as a search engine and start thinking of it as an employee. Start testing agentic platforms like the new Copilot features in Word and Excel that can now build entire presentations and spreadsheets autonomously. Second, look at your current workflow and identify any task that involves 3 or more steps. That is the first thing you should automate using AI tools. The age of talking to AI is over. The age of AI doing the work has begun. Those who learn to manage these agents will thrive, while those who wait will be left behind. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next deep dive into the specific tools that are making this possible.